Hi everyone. Is Snapchat sound not working on your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and effective ways to fix the Snapchat audio issue step by step. Step 1. Check volume and silent mode. First, make sure your phone is not on silent or do not disturb. Also, increase your media volume. Snapchat uses media volume, not your ringer volume. Step 2. Restart Snapchat app. Close Snapchat completely and remove it from recent apps. Then open it again. This often fixes temporary sound glitches. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone to refresh system services. This can solve most audio related problems. Step 4. Check Snapchat sound settings. Open Snapchat. Tap your profile. Settings. Manage sounds. Make sure all sound options are turned on. Step 5. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Permissions. Make sure microphone access is allowed. Without it, Snapchat can't record or play sound properly. Step 6. Turn off Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to Bluetooth, headphones or speaker, disconnect them. Sometimes the phone plays on the connected service instead of your phone speaker. Step 7. Check internet connection. A weak internet connection can cause sound to lag or not play in snaps. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. Step 8. Update Snapchat app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and update Snapchat. An outdated app can often cause sound problem. Last step. Reinstall Snapchat. If sound still does not work, uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it from the official store. Log in again and check audio in your Snap. Important tips. Don't use third-party Snapchat app. Keep your phone's software updated. Some snaps may take a few seconds to load audio. And that's it. These steps should fix Snapchat sound not working on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Snapchat and Teach fixes.